After removing the existing door to be replaced, begin inspection. Inspect for hidden damage, termites, or wood rot. Look the floor and walls for water damage, high and low. Address and make sure the floor is dry, secure, and level, as a level subfloor is crucial. Check the wall for plumb, or that both the left and right walls are on the same plane. They can be slightly out of level if they are plumb. This is to prevent ghost swoop, where the door doesn't fit into the pocket squarely. Slide the door and frame into the opening for a dry fit. Check spacing to the left, right, and the top for clearance. Apply beads of caulking to the vertical face of the exterior sheathing and behind the brick mold. Apply 2 beads along the length of the subfloor underneath the seal. Install the new unit. First the seal, while double checking the plane for equal daylight on the top and the bottom. Looking for equal margins on the left and right, 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch. Shim the top hinge, slightly above or slightly below the top hinge, and temporarily install 2 1/3 smooth shank screws into the hole in the top hinge to draw the door frame in and maintain the equal levels top and bottom. Shim the bottom hinge, slightly above or slightly below holes in hinge, and send full threaded fasteners provided into the holes in the hinge and into the frame, allowing the fasteners to miss the shims. Pull tight and check margins. Return now to the top hinge and send one of the full threaded fasteners provided into the remaining hole into the hinge and into the frame, allowing the fasteners to miss the shims. Back out temporary smooth shank screw and replace with full threaded fasteners provided. Install the strike plate. Correct shimming is critical. Shim and fasten the middle hinge, being careful not to over-shim. Shim 3 points, immediately above and below the strike plate, and immediately behind the strike plate. Make the final adjustments and seal. Check all margins and adjust shims and screws as needed to achieve and maintain a 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 inch margin around the entire door.